Hi, my name is Hailey Smith, and my project was on the dimpling of airfoils for fuel efficiency. So when I thought about this project, the first thing I thought of was the airfoil, or not the airfoil, the aerodynamics of a golf ball. And so if you hit a golf ball, it's obviously going to go way further than a spherical ball would if you hit it at the same mass and the same hardness. And the reason that is because of these dimples. So the air, when it comes at it, will actually turbulate. When you think of turbulence and flying things, you don't think, oh, that's good. But it actually is. So what it does is it'll turbulate around the dimples, and that'll make the air pressure stick to the ball. That'll keep it in the air longer. So I made these airfoils to test it out and see if it would work the same way at 10% intervals. This was my control, and they're handmade. It's a little bit difficult, but that's okay. This one did the worst, and the reason for that is because the center of pressure is right at the middle here, and so the air, when it comes over, there's low pressure up here and high pressure down here. So the air is going to go right over the center of gravity, or the center of pressure, and it's not going to dictate these dimples at all. Now this one, on the other hand, was dimpled right up to the center of pressure. So when the air actually went over it, the air stuck to it just as it would for the golf ball. And so it actually increased lift. So I found out that if you dimple these airfoils, as long as they're up to the center of pressure or further, it actually will increase lift. And that's just what my graphs show here. So usually when you look at the graphs, you think bigger is better, but that's not the case. The smaller the better. So the controls here, they were pretty stagnant. They were the same. And then trial one, this right here, it did way better than the control. And that's like really, really good. So all in all, fuel efficiency can be increased, meaning that you don't need as much fuel because it's a couple $1,000s every time you push the throttle forward in a plane. So if we dimpled the airfoils, then odds are you're going to be spending a lot less money on fuel. Thank you.